If you have revisited the town thin shade, whether to look upon your monument, I wonder if the builder has been paid, or happier thought it when the day is spent to drink of that salt breath out of the sea. When grey ghosts flit about instead of men, and the gaunt houses put on majesty, let these content you and be gone again, for they are at their old tricks, yet a man of your own passionate serving kind, who had brought in his full hands what had they only known, had given their children's children laughter, thought, sweeter emotion, working in their veins, like gentle blood has been driven from the place, and insult heaped upon him for his pains, and for his open-handedness disgrace. And though foul mouth that slandered you had set the pack upon him, go unquiet wanderer, and gather the glass Navin coverlet about your head till the dust stops your ear. The time for you to taste of that salt breath and listen at the corners has not come. You've had enough of sorrow